Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I wanted to do the same recipe we used with the acrylic when we did the city silhouette, the mega city if you want. So I think it's gonna be nice because we never did it. In fact, it's like we did before. I don't know if you remember. We only use white glue and silicone and acrylic, of course, but we didn't use water. The consistency, it's a bit thick, so I wanted to see what's going to happen while doing a pouring with it. If you remember, the recipe is 2/3 of acrylic, 1/3 of white glue, and about 5 to 6 drops of silicone, depending on the amount which you take, but it's about the same ratio. So guys, we're going to see what happens. I'm anxious to see it because we never did it before without water. So let's go and try it. So guys, I don't know about you, but I think the result is great. I think though the thing before, because of the thickness of our acrylic, because we didn't put any water, I think there's more detail, but it's less fluid. The details are more very fine, very refined, I should even say. It's nice though, but I don't think I like it as much as when we use water, because it makes our detail more scarce, more sparse, you know, so more big, more I don't know. Not to be said that it's not great. I think it looks very fine, it looks good. Maybe again we did use a bit of too dark of a color to make it, so it's hard to see the details when you don't look at that very closely. So, but like always, I think it's subjective. I think it's a nice piece. I think yes, it's a good thing to do. And what I can say about it is that the thickness of the acrylic made it more evenly. You know, you see that there's more acrylic on the canvas. It looks more thick when you look at it. It's nice though. It's almost like you would blend in plastic, you know, a plastic over it, and you would warmed it or something else. So anyway guys, I think it's great anyway. I don't think I'm going to use that technique again. It's rare I use the same technique twice, either way. So but I wanted to try it. It's not bad, it's nice. Maybe if we would have used less dark colors, I think it would have been greater. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoy, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So hope to see you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.